Exercise 8.3 questions 11 and 12. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. So, the count of bacteria was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. There is an increase in the count of the bacteria and the rate of increase is 2.5% per hour. And find the bacteria, find the count of the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. After 2 hours, what will be the count? And if the count was initially 5,06,000, so the initial count of the bacteria is 5,06,000. So here we want to apply the compound interest formula, that means the amount in compound interest. So the application of a compound interest formula, and here we know that the formula is amount equal to A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to n. Here we have to look into what is the value of P. P means the initial value. So the initial count was given, that is 5,06,000. So we can take P as 5,06,000. Now the rate of increase is given, R equal to 2.5% per hour, 2.5%. So we have to find out the count after 2 hours. So we can take the value of n as 2. Now A stands for the count of bacteria after 2 hours. Therefore, count of bacteria after 2 hours, count of bacteria after 2 hours equal to, that is A, which is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to n. Now we can substitute here 5,06,000 into 1 plus 2.5 by 100 whole raised to 2. So which is equal to 2.5 by 100. So 2.5 by 100 we can write as 25, that is 2.5 into 10 divided by 100 into 10. So change the decimal place. So you can multiply with the 10. So denominator also multiply with the 10. So we will get it as 25 by 1000. Now 25 by 1000 you reduce to the lowest form. Using 25 we can cancel. So 40. So we will get it as 1 by 40. So 2.5 by 100. When you first of all you change the decimal place, so you will get it as 25 by 1000. Now reduce to the lowest form, you will get as 1 by 40. So we can write as 5,06,000 into 1 plus 1 by 40. Then what is 1 plus 1 by 40? 1 plus 1 by 40 means it is a 1 by 1 plus 1 by 40. So 40 is the LCM, so we can write as 40 by 40 plus 1 by 40. So which is equal to 41 by 40. So we can write as 5,06,000 into 41 by 40 whole raised to 2. So 5,06,000 into 41 by 40 into 41 by 40. Now we have to reduce it. Now we can cancel zeros. Using 10 we can do. So here you will get 4 and here it is 50,600. Then again one more 0 we can cancel with the 10. So 10 fours are 40. So here 60. Then using 2 twos are 4. Then 2 twos are 4. 30. Again with the 2 we can do. Then 1. 1265. So we will get it as 1265 into 41 into 41 divided by 4. So which is equal to 1265 into 41 divided by 4. So when you multiply, we will get it as 21,26,465 divided by 4. So when you divide it, we will get the answer as 5,31,616.25. 5,31,616.25. So we can write it as 5,31,616. So approximately the value is 5,31,616. So we can find out the product. We will get the product as 21,26,465 divided by 4. So when you divide it, we will get the answer as 5,31,616.25. So the count of the bacteria. So we have to get it as a whole number. So we can take it as 5,31,616 approximately. Now next, a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. So here a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value is depreciated. Its value is decreased at the rate of 8% per annum. So we have to find out its value after 1 year. What is the value after 1 year? So we can do the problem without the compound interest, amount in compound interest. Without using that relation, we can find out. How can you find out? So the initial value is 42,000. If you are not applying the formula, how can you find out? So the initial value or the original value is 42,000. So rupees 42,000. So the decrease percentage is given. So the decrease percent, that is 8%. So what we can find out? We can find out the decrease. What is that amount we can find out? That is 8% of 42,000. 8% of 42,000, that is 8 by 100 into 42,000. Now using 100 we can cancel 420. So 8 into 420 equal to 420 into 8, 3,360. So there is a decrease of rupees 3,360. Then we can find out the value after 1 year, or the price of the scooter after 1 year equal to, so the initial value minus the reduction, 42,000 minus 3,360. So we can find out 42,000 minus 3,360. $42,000 minus 3,360. So we will get the answer as rupees 38,640. So this one is without applying the amount in compound interest formula, that formula, without applying the formula we can find out the answer. Now using the formula, how we can find out the answer? Here we have to do using the formula. So look at that, here the depreciation occurs. So we can take the formula as A equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole raised to n, because of the depreciation. If the decrease occurs, so the formula is changed into P into 1 minus R by 100 whole raised to n. Therefore, so we have to find out the value after 1 year. So A stands for the value after 1 year, value after 1 year. So which is equal to, so P means the initial value, that is 42,000. So 42,000 into 1 minus R is 8%, that is 8 by 100 whole raised to 1. So after 1 year, so the value of n is equal to 1. So P equal to 42,000, R equal to 8 and n is equal to 1. Therefore 42,000 into 1 minus 8 by 100, 1 we can take it as 1 by 1. So 100 by 100 minus 8 by 100, 100 by 100 minus 8 by 100, so we will get it as 92 by 100. So 92 by 100. Now we can cancel with 100 one time, so 420. So 420 into 92 we have to find out. So 92 into 42 we can find out. So the answer is rupees 38,640. So without the compound interest formula we can do the problem. So we have to find out the decrease, and after that we can find out the value after 1 year, and using the compound interest formula also we can find out. So we have to take the formula as A equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole raised to n, because here the decrease occurred. Then we have to substitute and simplify, we will get the answer rupees 38,640. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.